In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing text effect in Clipchamp. Whether you're sprucing up your video edits or just want to add a little flair, the typing text effect is a fantastic way to grab your audience's attention. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Navigate to the official website in your search results. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in to your Clipchamp account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward and quick process. Once you're in, open your project in Clipchamp. If you're starting from scratch with a new video, you can import your own media. Alternatively, you have the option to use a stock video clip provided by Clipchamp. This is a great way to get started, especially if you're looking to experiment or need some extra footage. Now, focus your attention on the toolbar located on the left side of your screen. Click on the Text tab. This will bring up various text options. Scroll through these options until you come across the typewriter animated title. The typewriter effect is exactly what will give your text that cool typing animation. Next, drag and drop the typewriter title onto your video timeline. Place it above your video clip so that it overlays perfectly. This enables the text to appear on top of your video as it plays. With that done, click on the typewriter text layer in your timeline to select it. Doing this will open up the property panel on the right side of your screen, giving you access to customize the text. Click on the Text tab within this property panel to explore these options. In the text box provided, type in your desired text. This is where your creativity comes into play. Choose a message that resonates with the content or the mood you're trying to convey. Once you've added your text, you have the flexibility to adjust its font, size, color, and alignment using the property panel. If you feel like changing the position of the text within the frame, you can drag it directly on the video preview screen to where you want it. To fine-tune the speed of the typing effect, you need to adjust the length of the text layer on your timeline. The green handles on either end of the text layer are your tools for this. Drag them to the right to extend the duration of the text, making the typing animation slower. Conversely, drag them to the left to shorten the duration, which speeds up the typing animation. And there you have it, a dynamic typing text effect ready to enhance your video. It's a clean, simple technique that can add a significant impact to your storytelling. Enjoy creating and experimenting with different styles to find what best suits your projects.